Welcome to this week. We have now installed the mini split unit here under the stairs. This is where the disconnect will go and then connect into the unit. Inside we have the two heads, one going to the dining kitchen area. We did our connection through the exterior wall, and the other one is going behind the TV wall so that when you walk in, it's not the first thing you see, it's on your left side. And the connections here are going through the interior wall all the way down to the garage. And we're also ready with the plumbing. Last week we swapped the fridge, now goes here on the left. Before it was here on the right, but it would probably obstruct the entrance to the bathroom. And we also moved the range that now goes in there, and the microwave that was there and now goes here. Bathroom is ready, so we are pretty much ready to finish the rough in and have our inspection. Here in the garage under the unit we have the head that was in the bedroom, so that's coming from the unit outside, and it drains out to the alley. Here is the head from the living room, and it catches the other drain that goes back to the alley, and this is the copper line that comes from the unit outside. And here in the alley we see the drain coming out from the garage and finishing right here on the floor. Thank you for watching, and we'll see us next week.